Hi, my name is Gerard, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cached data in your Google Chrome browser. So to start, let's click on Chrome to open it. We'll go to the upper right corner to click on the three dot icon. We'll go down to delete browsing data. Under the basic tab for time range, I would recommend setting it to all time. I would uncheck the browsing history option. You would leave the cookies and cached images options checked, and you would hit delete data, and that would clear the cached data for your browser. I would also recommend just closing out of it and reopening it. You should be all set. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below, and I'll be happy to answer them. You have a great one.